Welcome once again. Today's gospel tells the story of Jesus healing a man with an unclean spirit. And after he does this, the crowd that is there says, "Who is this? He commands unclean spirits." What the gospel writer, in this case Mark, is trying to tell us is about the way that Jesus uses his power. Mark and the other gospel writers tell us that Jesus uses God's power. He possesses God's power. But in this story, we see that Jesus uses God's power to heal, to make someone's life whole. This is an important part of the reign of God ministry of Jesus. Jesus said that in the reign of God, there is healing. In the reign of God, God's power is used, but it's not used to dominate or oppress people or to keep them down. It's used to heal and to build them up. We too have the power to heal, to unite, rather than to divide and dominate and oppress. We possess the power of God, not to the same degree as Jesus, but we possess the power of God to do good in the world, to heal those among us. May we use that power well. May we use the power that we possess not to divide, not to bring down, but to heal and to lift up those who are ill. Thank you once again for watching. Have a wonderful day.